Hi guys, welcome to our next van tour video. My name is Alexander and today I'm gonna show you our Karakorum model all-wheel drive. Let's take a look. A fully equipped adventure van designed for comfort, independence and all-terrain travel. First of all, I'm gonna show you features we added outside the camper van. This camper is built on MAN TGE. Here we have lifted suspension. We installed a lot of additional lighting by strands and laser. Also we have 270 degrees awning by bushwhacka. Around our camper van we have 3 security cameras which you can mount really easily while camping. Now let's take a look inside. Let's start with our dining or working area. We have 2 swivel front seats and 2 seats on the back. Also we have sliding dining table for flexible use. On top of our table we have 2 big storage units. In our kitchen area we have additional table outside, fridge, 70 liters fridge which we can open both sides, so it helps when we're cooking or we're just camping outside.
We focused on top quality finishes. The kitchen fronts and countertop are made from knotty oak, giving the interior a warm and natural feel.
We put really nice black and deep sink right here under the cover. Also a lot of storage units under the countertop.
The upper cabinet fronts are covered in Forbo material, which is durable and easy to clean. At the back you will find a comfortable bed. On the roof we have a pop-top roof, perfect for an additional sleeping space and best views. Our heating solution is the Trumacombi 6DE, ensuring warmth in all areas of the camper van. We've added extra Dometic S7 windows in the rear doors and bathroom. The Karakorum is fully winter ready, with fresh and grey water tanks located inside the vehicle, while all plastic body elements are coated with Raptor black protective paint. The exterior is equipped with accessories from Dutch Van Parts, including a spare wheel carrier, cargo ladder, a 70-liter storage box. Here we also have 2 Thule ProRide bike racks. Guys, thank you for watching today's episode. This was our van tour of the Karakorum model. If you liked that video, please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye!